today we discuss about new. Here we traditionally call that the question paper, but new education policies or education department announced that we don't call the question paper, we call here the activity sheet, because each and every question asked, what asked? Read the complete extract and complete the activities. Okay, this is the activity, that's why. Complete the activity. That's why the question paper changed the name, only changed the name, and so many differences or so many changes in the question paper. There is no WH word or there is no WH question in the examination. A rare case. A rare case asked the question start WH word. Okay. We can say it is an activity sheet. Activity sheet format. It is 80 marks for 12th examination. 3 parts, 3 sections. Section first prose, section second poetry, section third writing skill, and section 4 is literary genre. In 12th class introduced novel, 11th class introduced drama. Okay, then we thoroughly discuss about the question paper. The question first, section first, reading for the comprehension. Each and every student able to read with pronunciation, stress, then language study. Every student able to do the grammatical items, grammatical practice. The third one, summary writing is mentioned in the section, and the last one, the note making, and the new name is mind mapping. Mind mapping. Okay, it is the same, only the names are changed. Though in section first, reading for comprehension, language study, summary, note making, and mind mapping is the prescribed for the section first. The question first, in the section first, read the following extract and complete the activities given below. It is a seen passage. It is passage from the syllabus. It is carried 12 marks, and the questions are following. A1, complex factual question. A1, global understanding. The question in traditional or in our old paper, what is the passage about? This type of question asked in this global understanding. The question is same. Okay. The example, in this global understanding, there are given the 4 statements, and question is activity is asked. These are the 4 statements. These are the 4 statements are the summary of the passage, above passage, and from the out of 2 statements are the correct summary of the passage. Then find out the correct 2 statements. Then we have to write out of 4 correct 2 statements. This kind of questions or this types of questions asked in the global understanding. This one also we discuss these questions last part of the question. Okay, last session of this class we discuss how the questions are asked and what is the criteria, what is the type, what is the kind of the question. Okay, inference, complex factual, inference, interpretation and analysis, then personal response, language study, and then vocabulary. Section A6, it is 12 marks, each carry 2 marks, 6 questions, 2 marks carry 12 marks. Then we have to study question number first key, which is based on language study. Language study means grammar. There is nothing but only the name is changed. Grammar. Okay. Language study nothing but only the language study is a grammar, non-textual grammar. It is asked the grammar out of syllabus. There is no concern about the syllabus. The first B1, do as directed or transformation of sentence. Here article, preposition, and compulsory direct and indirect question, direct and question word sentence asked here 3 marks. Each and every one 3 questions: article, preposition, and third direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech asked. Each one carry 1 mark, 3 marks. Then B1, B2, spot the error. The sentence is given and question is asked, find out the error from the sentence and recorrect or rewrite the correct sentence. This is 1 mark. This 4 marks, 3 plus 1, 4, and question first is A and B, 16 marks. Okay. Then we have discussed question second. Then we have discussed second question. Question second. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. It also carries 12 marks. Difference between question first and second. It is unseen passage. Unseen is out of syllabus. Okay. Unseen passage out of syllabus. Here also A1, A2, A3, A5, A6. Same questions are like question number first. Same question A1, A2, A3, A5, A6. Same questions carry 2 marks each one, 12 marks question. Okay, question first A completed. Then question second B. Summary writing. Summary writing carry 3 marks. Write the summary of the above extract means the extract which is given in the second question unseen. We have to write the summary of question second A passage. Extract with a suitable title. When we write summary of the given extract, the title is very important because it carries 1 mark. It is compulsory. We write title for the summary. It is a compulsory. Without title, we have lost 1 mark and we get out of 2 because title is 1 mark. Compulsory. Title is must for the summary writing. Okay. Then we also in question paper the given point and hint also given there for writing the summary writing. It is prescribed. Okay. आपने 10वीं क्लास में पढ़ा होगा कि ऊपर निम्नलिखित परिच्छेद का 1/3 कीजिए, सारांश में लिखिए. Same time summary is like this. Okay. Then question number C. Second C, note making or mind mapping. It carries 3 marks. This is the only name is changed. The activity is same. Tree diagram, table or chart, notes or pie chart. In examination, the question is asked us for this. Read the following extract carefully and give the complete the activity given below. Suppose a tree diagram is given in the examination. So many filling the blanks is there. So many filling the blanks there. We have to read the passage carefully and only fill in the blanks because already tree diagram or table, chart, notes or pie chart already given all things in the question paper. We have to fill in the blanks only which asked in the question. Okay, it is a very easy part. It is very easy part because we have to read carefully passage and fill in the blanks which asked in the question paper. This is the question number second here. A, B and C each 12, 3, 15 and 3, 18 marks. Okay. Question second is prescribed for 18 marks. Then we have to move section second, which is poetry. 8 poetries are asked prescribed in the syllabus and mark is 14 marks. Then question number third A, read the following extract and complete the activities given below. There are 5 types of question is there. Each question carry 2 marks. 5 into 2, 10 marks. Okay. Global understanding means this question is based around the whole poem which are given or which are asked in the examination. Then inference, interpretation, analysis means which part is very understanding, very important, and this part is ask the question on this part, or it is 2 or 3 line answer for this question is preferred. Then personal response, we know the personal response. Poetic device or figure of speech. Then one example, one line is given there and ask the question, find out the figure of speech of the above line and write the same example of the poetic device from the given poem. Okay, this 1 mark. 1 mark for identify the poetic device, and 1 mark for the give the another example for the same poetic device. And last one, the creativity. The creativity, it is a new part, it is a new question described here. मीन्स इसका आपको क्रिएटिविटी यानी आपको कविता पोयम किस लेवल तक आपको समझ में आई है और आपने उसका कितना आनंद लिया है, उस बेस पे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि 2 या 4 लाइन, उसमें से 2 लाइन दिए जाती है और तीसरी और चौथी लाइन जो है जो आपको खुद की मन की बनानी पड़ती है। अभी खुद को आपको लगता है कि ए लाइन अभी इस पोएम में फिट हो जाएगी तो वो लाइन आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं, या कभी कभी 4 लाइन, चारों भी लाइन आपने खुद को तैयार करने के और यहाँ पे लिखने के, तो उसको क्रिएटिविटी, नया कुछ तो निर्माण करना। ये पोएम पढ़ के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, अप्रिसिएशन बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं ये 4 लाइन की पोएम इसमें ऐड कर सकता, ऐसा क्वेश्चन को यहाँ पे पूछा जाएगा जो कि 2 मार्क्स है। क्वेश्चन 3rd A for the 10 marks. Later on we discuss about the question number 3rd B. It is also related, it is depend on the poetry section also. Here a new part is introduced here, appreciation. Appreciation means which level or on level you understand the poem. Okay, in which level or on which level we understood or understand the poem. The understanding level question is prescribed here. Though read the extract and write as per instruction. Okay, पोएम पूछी जाएगी जिसपे अप्रिसिएशन क्वेश्चन है, जो अप्रिसिएशन क्वेश्चन थीम पे आएगा। क्वेश्चन आस्क अबाउट थीम, लैंग्वेज, what kind of language is used here, then skill, which skill, poetic device, and what kind of the poetic devices introduced in the poem. And this poem is asked another new poem which is not asked in the question number 3rd A. Understand? It is a new poem. There is no concern about the question asked in question number 3 and question number 3B. It is a totally different poem, another poem from the syllabus. It is prescribed for the 4 marks. Okay. Then poetry A and B, 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 marks. The poem or poetry is prescribed for the 14 marks. Okay. Then section 3rd. The section 3rd, which is writing skill. Writing skills. The section 3rd is on writing skills. There are 4 questions A, B, C, D. Questions 4A, B, C and D. Each carry 4 marks. The 16 marks. Okay. The question 4 is prescribed for the 16 marks. Then complete the activity as per the instruction. What kind of the instruction? It is totally based around the skill which are used in the writing field. It is very important and it is very easy to get marks in the examination. Some points, some clues, some ideas follow, then we have to get out of marks in this section. It is the only section we get the full marks. Only little efforts. Okay. The first question, question 4A, emails or letter writing. The letter formal, which letter in the category of application. Here we only use in old examination ask the 2 questions, 2 letters, formal and informal. But in here it is letter writing or emails. How to know emails? We discuss detail on when we discuss about or learn about the emails and letter writing. Okay. Then question number B. Question 4th B. Expansion of idea means any work proverbs is given. Proverbs is given and we have to expand this. Means ये जो पार्ट है एक आइडिया दिया जाएगा. एग्जाम्पल डिसेबिलिटी इज स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. ऐसा एखाद अपना सुविचार आपको दिया जाएगा और उसको आपको एक्सपांड करने का, उसको इलेबरेट करने का है. डिसेबिलिटी यानी अपंगतता किंवा इसको आप क्या कह सकते हैं, हैंडीकैप. ये अपनी मन की अवस्था है, स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, मन की अवस्था है. ये सुविचार है, एक विचार है, ये थॉट है. ये थॉट को एक्सपांड करने का, ओके, उसको इलेबरेट ज्यादा डिस्क्रिप्शन करने का, वो एक्सपांशन ऑफ आइडिया. ब्लॉग राइटिंग, इट इज अ न्यू element described or prescribed in the syllabus. It is very important, and this kind of blog writing, you when we heard that on the newspaper, in the news bulletin, so many actors, thinkers, and great politicians. These people are social workers. Those are connected to the social. Those are connected to environment. Those are connected to the politician. These people writing the blog. Blog writing means there is nothing new. It is only they write their thoughts, their opinions, and to attach a picture, and it is sent or it is established on a social media. This kind of blog writing. Then film review. It is new elements is prescribed syllabus. It is 4 months film review. We discuss about the hero, heroine, what is the theme of the picture, music, song, and direction, dance, music, all kind of discussion. This is the film review. We discuss thoroughly when we discuss about this particular film review. Is 4 marks. Then question number 4C, appeal. It is very important. We saw the pamphlets of any kind of shop, any sari shop, any kind of. Then today the period is going on COVID-19. Then we have to decide that we ignore, we appeal the people that they will keep social distancing, they keep mask always on your mouth, nose, and always use sanitizer, always use new clothes. When he go out of house, then come to the house, he wash the dress and wear the new dress, and these kind of things we have to write on a paper and distribute to other people. This is the appeal. Ahwan, we can say in Hindi, leaflet is the old element item. Then we can say the hill station, historical place, where to go, how to go there, where to stay, accommodation, what to see. These kind of 4 points elaborate or narrate there. Then report writing. This is the report writing when a function, when a news writing or function programs news. Then is the report writing 4 marks. View and counter view. जो मत उसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं मत और मतांतर, जो कि डिबेट चलता है. जब न्यूज में देखते हैं कि एक न्यूज है कि आजकल के लड़कों को, आजकल के स्टूडेंट को मोबाइल यूज करना चाहिए और नहीं चाहिए. तो एग्जाम में ऐसा पूछा जाएगा कि मोबाइल स्टूडेंट को यूज करना चाहिए, तो उसके एडवांटेज बोले जाते हैं. तो अपन को दूसरी बाजू जो काउंटर व्यू है अपना ओपिनियन मानने के लिए, तो उसको अपना अपोजिट में उसका अपना मत वहां पे देना पड़ता है, लिखना पड़ता है. उसे काउंटर व्यू, काउंटर सेक्शन, जो कि 4 मार्क्स के लिए है. फिर लास्ट वन इसमें का स्पीच राइटिंग. स्पीच इन एग्जामिनेशन, गिव द सब्जेक्ट एंड गिव द हिंट्स. फॉर द सब्जेक्ट एंड हिंट्स वी हैव टू राइट अ स्पीच. देन comparing any given subject and we have to write another side of the given elements. Then dialogue writing, it is old part, and interview session, it is also the old part of the syllabus. Interview means मुलाकात, जो आप बड़े आदमी क्रिकेटर है, सोशल वर्कर है, एक्टर है, उसकी आप मुलाकात ले सकते हैं. उसमें ये फिर वाले 7 to 8 questions to ask the personality. Okay, then discuss about the question number 5. See, answer in about 50 words to given activity below. The question frame like plot, structure, theme, setting, language and character. ये जो क्वेश्चन है, ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे. ये प्लॉट पे पूछा जाएगा, स्ट्रक्चर पे पूछा जाएगा, थीम, सेटिंग, लैंग्वेज एंड कैरेक्टर. हाउ द क्वेश्चंस आर asked in the examination: describe, explain, compare, contrast, name and discuss. This is the all points. The questions asking the examination, those questions: describe plot, describe the structure, explain the theme, explain the setting of the autobiography, then compare the language, compare the plot, compare the structure, compare the character. This kind of the question asked in the examination. Second, illustrate, interpret, narrate, justify, find and identify. These both questions carry 2 marks equal to 4 marks. In question 5C carry 4 marks. Then this activity based round, you need 4.3. Okay, you need 4.3. Then question 5D is the last or end part of the question paper. Answering about 50 words to the question given below. It carries 4 marks. It is based on 4.4. The questions are same which prescribed asked in the question number 5. You see, then plot, structure, theme, setting, language and character. Then first, how to frame the question: describe, explain, compare, contrast, name, discuss. Then illustrate, interpret, narrate, justify, find and identify. And this question is asked round based on the 4.4. This is the question paper. We thoroughly discussed about the question paper, its marks, how many marks to the prescribed for the each question. Then we to discuss in 5 minutes about how the questions are asked in question first and second. Okay, we discuss about this question in briefly 2 or 5 minutes. Then look at this. The question first, we discuss about the question A, global understanding, question A2, complex factual, question A3, interpretation, interpret, discuss, justify this. Then question A5, A4, personal response, A5, language study, and A6, it is found on the vocabulary section. Okay, this kind of the question we discussed before. How the question or which questions are asked? First, write or pick out correct statement which is summary of passage. This one. Second, fill in the blanks. Third one, match the pair. Fourth one, match the pair. True or false. Then justify the statement. The one statement is given and we have to write the answer in the favor of statement. Then meaning of any statement. These kind of questions are prescribed for A1, A12, A4. Global understanding, factual complex, interpret, illustrate, then personal effort. These kind of questions asked in the examination. There is a wide range to ask this kind of questions. Okay, I hope we will better understand the question paper and its marks distribution. It is 80 marks. It is totally based on activity based. That's why we call it the activity sheet. There is no question paper. It is the activity set. It is prescribed for the 80 marks. Okay, thank you.